Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I have a feeling that this is going to be a very lively live stream. So Bitcoin, next stop for Bitcoin, the 702 retrace. That is at about $57,800 or so. So yeah. Let's see. I need somebody on YouTube to chat just to make sure that we're good there. Hello, everyone on TikTok. I am once again live on YouTube. Bull market. Evan, yes. Bull market. So, Joe, how you been, bro? I've been great. Hopper, all right, switch to YouTube. Yeah. Hello, Mark. Hey, user 333. All is well. All is well in the neighborhood. Man, I don't know what's going on with my chat here on YouTube. Live chat. Okay, cool. All right, man, I was nervous there for a second. Yeah, Nathan, unbelievable. George, hello. Gary, hello. SG, John Paul, Albert, good morning. LCX took the consolidation too serious. Yeah. Hey, what's up, D Diamond? All right, PNG. All right, I know PNG. I'm not interested right now in PNG. I want to see it dump a little bit. So, or consolidate a little bit. But LCX, when's the next Bitcoin resistance? Very close to where we are right now. $57,800 or so. That's a 786 retrace. LCX, I'm so greedy on LCX right now. I just want to see it get back down to 22 or so cents, and I am in. So, hello, Hussein, Ali Isnana. I took 25% last year in Thailand from Cody. That's the play. Got to do it. So hope you're well, Ahmed. Morning, Ryan. GM Gus. Let's go, Harry. Good morning, Bryson. Good morning, Coco. Why you stop me from watching on your TikTok? Anthony, I responded to your message. If you have a problem, I have no interest in hearing your complaints. I am live on TikTok right now for everybody. Okay, so see my response to your message. What's going on with LCX? Slowly decline. 22 cents. I'm in at 22 cents. Good morning, Mariano. What's up with Pepe? I added Pepe to TradingView. Listen, all right, I'm going to talk about this for a little bit. I bought, and I'm going to make a video on TikTok. Yes, LCX is a buy. I bought an embarrassing amount of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe recently, like over the last 24 hours. I've been saying that I've been waiting. This is a 3-year plan that I'm pouncing on right now. I've been saying that I've been waiting for Bitcoin to cross its all-time high before, and then I was going to buy a bunch of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, and then Pepe came out of nowhere, really. I don't have a prediction for Benki. And so the thing that I've come to realize over time is that when I have a decision, I'm going to do something, it tends to happen earlier than what I hope. And so my mentality has always been, I'm going to buy Dogecoin and Shiba Inu when Bitcoin crosses its all-time high. I'm not the one who was saying I'm selling 90%. That was Crypto Network, not me. I said 50%. And I am trying to rotate a little bit into stable coins right now. I have no problem doing that. I bought very low in the bear market. But remember, all right, back to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Dogecoin was at 0.03. It was at a little under 0.4 of a cent when Bitcoin crossed its all-time high in 2020. And then within 6 weeks, it got up to 8 cents. I think the same thing's going to happen. Something similar is going to happen with Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and Pepe when we see a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Did you do the short? I did. Yeah, I did a short at $53,000, and I closed the short. I know you can't watch all my videos, but listen, I'm doing just fine. So I did not lose money on a short. LCX prediction $7.37. Let's see, where are we? Good morning, AJ, Taritmo, LCXCS got in at 11 cents. All right, price predictions for Ethereum Classic. I don't know, but I think Ethereum Classic is going to gonna put in a new all-time high this time around, and it's gonna be very quick. So, hey, what's up, Sambo? Got into ICP 12. Good. I don't think we're going below $12 for ICP. So yes. Prediction for LimeWire. LimeWire is going to pump and then dump really hard. ICP, I don't have a price prediction for LimeWire. ICP, I have a prediction for $223.40. Good morning, Mazzy. Hi, you should check out Clubcoin if you get a chance. Huge potential for summer 2024. There's lots of ones that I need to check out. So hopefully, I got nothing on Moon River. Sorry. Cello, it was like a 10x from where it is. My price prediction for Cello. Good morning, paddling hookers. What's your thoughts on the low TVL for ICP? We've known for years that DeFi was a huge growth area for ICP. I see opportunity for that, so I'm not worried at all about that. I think a lot of money is going to be flooding into ICP. I think it's going to be one of the top 10 in TVL within a few years. So Solana's been one of my favorites. Don't know much about Data Lake. But, I took heavy profits when it did a 15x from its bear market bottom. So again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. Head over to YouTube. Thank you, Anthony. Any thoughts on Pepe 2.0? Nope, nothing, sorry. Would mind another move up today? Would or would not? I'm ready to go up. But man, we have been up only for so long. How long can this continue? Sui bullish, yeah, you got to watch out for their circulating supply. But when do I think a pullback is going to happen? Watch my most recent video. I've been saying for a while I am bullish for the next 3 months. Now, will we have pullbacks? Sure. But I've been saying as long as the spot Bitcoin ETF accumulation is at the levels that it's been at, as long as that status quo is the same, then I don't see a reason for pullbacks to be all that significant. Now, that will change, but the next few months, I'll reevaluate in May. So is it a good time to buy API 3 or Quant now? I have this thought. All right, you guys might not want to hear this. First bull run here. Welcome. Don't get wrecked. Take profits aggressively. I made a post on my X account yesterday, and I think something is happening with the so-called dinosaur cryptos. Here's my post on X. Follow me on X, World War Bitcoin, WW Bitcoin. Dinosaurs are waking up. I've been saying when grandma and your barber and your Uber driver come back to crypto, they're going after the dinosaurs. I don't have a PNG prediction. Fade them if you wish. I won't. And then I tagged Bitcoin Cash, Doge, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, XRP, Cardano, XLM. I think those are going to be playing catch up very soon. And Quant is making a little bit of a move up. Quant, I would not call Quant a dinosaur crypto, but it's been acting like a dinosaur crypto. It may be time for Quant. It may be time for XRP, for Polygon. Polygon's been lagging behind a little bit. So that might be the play, because if you look at the AI cryptos right now, the whole market's pumping and the AI cryptos are down because last week they were pumping. And then even LCX is moving slowly. Injective may be ready to rip. ICP may be ready to rip. But like a lot of these that have been lagging behind, I think are going to be ready to be making some moves here. Quant is over the last few days moving up. So API 3, I saw a question about API 3 here. Is it a good time to buy API 3? Let me look at the chart real quick. So again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I cannot answer every question on TikTok, but I can on YouTube. I'm very interested to see what happens again when the stock market opens. If you remember yesterday, Bitcoin was at $51,000. Remember that? All the way back yesterday, Bitcoin was at $51,000, and now it's at $57,000 in less than 24 hours. So should I sell Gala? Not necessarily, no. But API 3, let's take a look at API 3 on the charts. I think I remember thinking that it was at a pretty decent time to buy. I would say, the fact that it did have some interaction with its 20-day EMA, that's probably the name of the game right now. You see it as 20-day EMA. It's at a retrace here. I would say it's a pretty decent time to buy LCX. API 3. Do not sell LCX right now. Not financial advice. Now is not the time to sell LCX. So Have you seen Web AI? Seems fire. I have not, and I'm not going to look into cryptos I haven't heard about right now during this live stream. Favorite Bitcoin layer 2s for short-term gains? Short-term gains. You never know. I like Mint Layer a lot. And I bought $1,000 of ORDs yesterday, Ordi swap. But I do want to tell you, I bought it and I'm just not worrying about it. It's probably going to lag a little bit short term. It's been ripping like crazy. So if you want quick gains, Ordi swap is not the play. But I did some research on it yesterday. I really like Ordi swap. Injective short term price prediction. I think it's going to break out. I mean, I've been saying that for a few weeks now, and it's been slow. I think it's about ready. You know, we've been ranging here. The longer we range here, the more violent that rip is going to be. So, Starknet, don't know enough. Sorry. Hello, Tom. Do you have a price range for where it's safe to get into STX? That's been pumping a lot. STX been moving a lot, and what can you say? I mean, it seems like, you know, if we're going to see the crypto market on a tear and we're going to see new all-time highs for Bitcoin anytime soon, around the time it's at the 20-day EMA, not right now. I've not had a look at Ergo. What's your favorite coin to back? I don't know what you mean. All right, hello. Yeah, Tom, Jasmy. Jasmy's another one. You want to buy into Jasmy? Jasmy looks great, but short term, it's just going to drag a bit. And so I got to go to the 4-hour chart here. I think it's going to range between these two levels right here. So for those of you not looking at my screen on TikTok, is 20 and 50-day EMA an indicator? There's on TradingView, there's 20, 50, 100, and 200. The EMAs, man, they're huge. And it's trading period. So if you switch from the daily chart to the 4-hour chart, it'll be like the 24-hour EMA. So I think we're going to range a little bit for Jasmy. It's not going down to this lower level here, the 1.2 cents. You see it at 1.426 or so. That's the time to get in. LRC, I haven't looked at LRC in a while. That's another one. We're talking about dinosaur cryptos that are going to be ready to rip, and LRC Loopring's ripping, or it's about to rip. It's ready. Loopring is ready to go finally. So Jasmy or Doge. Right now, I'd say Doge. If we're talking about short term, I would say Doge. Again, I bought an embarrassing amount of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Pepe. So when are altcoins going to rip? I mean, they've been ripping, but we're in the rip. We're in the middle of the rip. How cool would SHIB to a penny be? It would be cool and impossible. So, Sambo, come on. Sand and Mana charts look bullish if you zoom out. Mana and Sandbox. I've been saying metaverse after a new all-time high for Bitcoin. And so maybe it'd be time to get in soon for Mana. How long have I been awake? I've been awake since 5:30. I usually wake up around 5:30. Do you think ICP will touch 11.25 again? No. ICP is not going down that low. Let me look at the chart real quick before I say that. So 12.9. I mean, where's the range that we've been in recently? I gave you that price target, that buy entry at $9. I said $9.76. I don't think it's going back down there. Horizontal line. This is the lowest I could possibly see it going. I mean, really, the 50-day EMA is the play. But let's put something maybe there, right about here. I would say worst case scenario, short term, 11.54. But the 50-day EMA, I'd be very greedy at the 50-day EMA for ICP. Will there be a pullback before the pump? You never know. We are way overbought, but at the same time, these spot Bitcoin ETFs are buying like crazy. Den, thank you so much. I really appreciate the kind words there. Compound is finally starting to move up. Compound's going to do well over these next few weeks here. Yeah, I mean, it is at resistance here. I drew that line a long time ago that's from the previous, or I don't know what that's from. Never mind. I draw these lines on these charts. Compound is above. Maybe we'll see a retest of that resistance there, or maybe we've already seen it. It looks like we might have already seen it. So we'll see. Yeah, Compound looks ready to rip. Thoughts on VRA? I like it a lot. It is 22.5 cents is my price target for Compound. Again, for VRA, excuse me. I am live on YouTube. For those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. World War Bitcoin. Don't take out a 5. All right. Anyway, I saw a 5. You took out a loan for 5K. Okay. You know, a lot of people are going to do that and they're going to get wrecked. But World War Bitcoin, I am trying as much as possible to answer every question there. There's no way, good morning, Robert, that I could possibly answer every question on TikTok. So head on over there. Yeah, meant to be funny. Yeah. If we are really in a left translated cycle, do you think bull run will be cut short? If it does, will the market recover due to the post-halving supply shock? All right, so I know a little bit about the left translated cycle. It essentially is a theory that we're going to peak very soon. Whatever the case, we are front running this bull run very aggressively, and so I do think if we're going to continue like this entire thing could be over in 2024. Please do not spam. Stop spamming. Aman. I got nothing on Zcash anyway. All right, so this whole thing could be over in 2024. So be careful. Be careful. I don't know who Timothy Ronald is. Be careful with this mindset. A lot of people have the mindset that we're peaking in 2025, and maybe we will peak in 2025. But if I see massive gains, if I see like a 20x in my portfolio or something, hello, Apostolos. If I see a 20x in my portfolio, I'm going to be mostly out. I mean, not mostly out. I'll always have some in, but you know, just got to be careful when you're taking more Bitcoin profits. I've took all my profits in Bitcoin. I mean, it was largely with the Bitcoin miners, so I'm out of the miners. Do you think I should take profits from my AI cryptos to other cryptos that haven't pumped yet, like ICP? You're probably still in a decent spot to do that. I would have said last week was the time to do that. I took some profits on AOs. I took some profits on Render. Let me check out the biggest aggressor in terms of price action is AGIX. And so, I mean, AGIX, it's down from 85 cents. It's at 70 cents right now. And yeah, sure, you know, it can still go lower to the 20-day EMA, the 50-day EMA, but last week was the time. Yeah, if I see 20x, I'm out. Yeah. Quant March prediction, I don't have one, sorry. Do you think, let's see, Casper prediction, $1.07 is my price target. AVAX may be the play then in terms of dinosaurs. It's one of the lowest market cap in the top 10. Lowest market cap in the top 10. So it's number 10 in market cap. AVAX might be pretty good. So I don't have a super reverse price prediction. Sorry. No Sana has been on fire. Never heard of it. I have read that troll will be the next Shiba Inu. Nope, I don't care. Sorry. I'm sorry. Wow, I'm already really far behind. What do you think about Zay? I really like Zay until July. I'm selling all my Zay in July. They have massive unlocks coming in July. Zay. So I love Zay, gaming crypto. Very bullish on it until July. So Arbitrum hasn't pumped in a minute. Lots of fear with the unlock coming. I wouldn't be surprised if Arbitrum, the day of the unlock, because everyone's anticipating, it's like the opposite of a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. We're selling leading into that unlock, and maybe it's due for a pump after that. So yes, you were right. They don't know anything else. What do you think about Near? Near has been pumping. It's ready for a next move up. So Near, we're ready. Yeah. Your barber doesn't know anything else. Yeah. What about Mana, Metaverse? Yeah, talk about that. ICP short-term price prediction. We're going to see a next move up in ICP soon enough. I'd be confident buying ICP. Chances ICP climbs over $200. I have a $223 price target, so there's that. Good morning, Alex. Any input on Pi Network? Serge, I don't know. I haven't, people are telling me it's worth something. I have a hard time believing that. So Cody price prediction. I don't have one. It's coming soon on my YouTube channel here, World War Bitcoin. You think Pendle is going to hit $50? My price target for Pendle is $57. And again, I've been talking about Pendle for a while now. I am very bullish on Pendle. It was due for a chop, and it's finally chopped after several months of being up only. And let me show you something. For those of you on YouTube, at least, I'll read it out loud on TikTok. Oh my goodness, I'll wait for the next one. Okay, so Pendle, their total value locked. Oh my goodness. Their TVL is 1.754 billion. Every time I check out Pendle's website, it goes up by several hundred millions of dollars into their ecosystem. When I made a video on January 26th talking about Pendle, the amount of money that was locked into their ecosystem was something like $426 million. And now they're at 1.74 billion. Pendle is perhaps my highest conviction play. Zay thoughts talk about that. Did you sell any Illuvium today? I don't own any Illuvium. I've never been super excited about it. Prediction on VeChain VET. VeChain is 33 cents. So price target LCX $7.37. Bitcoin to a bajillion. Yeah. Any thoughts on 5IRE? I don't know anything about it. On Texas. Sorry. Can you look at Corgi AI? It's AI, right? You know, I mean, I'm not going to look at cryptos I don't know about right now because just I know the chat's going to be super hot right now. And am I invisible? I read your comment. I'm live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. I cannot keep up with the chat on TikTok. But good luck. Good luck. VRA 33 cents. The VRL. Man, VRL, I'm telling you, man. I am bullish on VRL. You know, they have this 3 mobile partnership that they've announced. No joke. Okay. Orange market cap price prediction. I don't know, but I haven't done enough research on it, but everything that I've seen so far, I'm very bullish. Yeah, that is OrdiSwap, right? Because I bought some yesterday. So I like it a lot. Live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Yeah, Near talked about that. What do you think about Tectum? I just looked at the chart for the first time yesterday. Oh, wait. That's not Tectum, is it? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. So I like where the price action is right now, where the chart is right now. This right here is the support level, and that's on the daily chart. So it's not. I don't think it's going to go back there anytime soon, but I'd be buying some Tectum. I don't know much about them fundamentally, just from a trading perspective. All right. Could it get as big as Sui or Say? For Zay? Zay's a gaming crypto. You're talking about apples and oranges, really. Sonic Rocket. Yeah, I'm with you on that. Do you think Solanium will pump with Solana move? The Solana ecosystem, very bullish. I don't know anything about Solanium. GTAI, don't know anything about it. Yeah, let's see. Hello, sir. Could you check out AMP? AMP's been moving. Ooh, AMP. All right. So, I mean, you know, we pumped, consolidate. The big thing with AMP is I don't see a scenario where it at least does a 236 retrace, but I'm holding it until longer than that. So we've got a long way up to go with AMP. So that's stupid. Something stupid, Ryan. Do you think your price predictions for LCX and AGX will come in the next few months, or are they long? They'll come. Who knows? I mean, will they come at all? You never know. I have more confidence in my AGX price prediction than my LCX one right now, but AGX has been pumping. But $7.37 for LCX, $5.38 for AGX. Very bullish. All right, got a super chat here. Thank you so much, AJ. Let's see what AJ. Oh, you just gave me the super chat. Thank you so much. If you give a super chat and you really want a question answered, I will prioritize that over anything else. So Chainlink alts. What about Chainlink alts? OXO, very bullish on OXO. Thoughts on Scale? I like it. I bought some. Don't have a ton. I bought some because of the price action I was seeing on the charts. And I don't remember exactly what I was thinking when I saw that. But you can see kind of a cup and handle forming here. So Scale looks ready for its next leg up. But best strategy for cashing out. Here's my thoughts. When do you think Pendle is going to reach $57 at the peak? You know, whenever the peak is, you never know. So I'm still thinking we're going to peak in 2024 right now, just given how much we've been front running this. So sooner rather than later. Mina, I made a price prediction video on my YouTube channel for Mina. I don't remember the price target, but check it out. World War Bitcoin Mina. I'm live on YouTube, everybody. World War Bitcoin. I can't answer every question. I don't have a price target for VRL. So yeah, best strategy for cashing out. Here's my number one rule. You see a crypto pump like what we saw with AI cryptos last week. Take something out. Not financial advice. Just take something out. You know, maybe put it in something that hasn't moved, or maybe wait for a dip and reinvest and buy, get more of that crypto right now at least. If you see a cryptocurrency 3x, a cryptocurrency that you're holding, it's about that time that I would have at least taken my initials out. So after that, I will think more through taking profit strategies now that we're like, especially as we see Bitcoin moving towards its all-time high and hopefully beyond it. So, okay. Let me go back to the Bitcoin chart, 56.8. Anything about Ondo? I'm in it. I like it. I made a video a few days ago. I need to pull up my price target video here, or price target spreadsheet. I just made a video just a couple days ago with Ondo. So let's see where Ondo is. I really need to fill up the chart, fill out the chart here. $3.71 is my price target for Ondo. So let's see here. Superverse prediction. I don't have one. Just very bullish on it. I own some, very bullish. Cello, I made the rookie mistake last week with Cello. I panic sold. I didn't panic sell. I was like, I'm bored with Cello. I'm out. I don't care anymore. I'm putting it in something else. And Cello started pumping. It happens to the best of us, and I'm not saying I'm the best of us, but so let's see. Taking a loan out. That's a terrible idea. Not financial advice. How about an ETH spot? Any word on that, bro? All I know is the deadline is May 23rd, Sambo. So any Jupiter thoughts? Haven't looked at Jupiter. Well, no, I looked at Jupiter. I haven't seen much action with it. Here's the thing with Jupiter. Jupiter. So Jupiter will go as Solana goes. Next time we see Solana rip, Jupiter is going to rip along with it. I know they have their airdrops coming. They're only 13.5% in circulation. I think ETH's going to all-time high. I have an $11,689 price target for ETH. But right now it looks pretty ugly. But I mean, they just launched. They launched recently. So just wait. You're going to have to be patient. If you have Jupiter, have you bought Dual yet? I have a decent bag of Dual. I've just been saying to wait for it. But Dual, I think it's about time. Yeah, a little bit sooner than I would have thought. But is it a good moment to buy ORDs? Is that Ord? I keep getting ordinals and ordi swap confused. So ORDs is ordi swap. Okay. And ordinals is ordi. I'll remember that for next time. ORDs is too hot right now. But listen, I wanted some exposure, and I'm willing to wait on ordi swap, which is why I just decided I'm going to buy some and I'm not going to worry about it. So I have no problem. If you have that mindset, you're willing to be patient, then sure, buy a crypto that's up 5x in the last 2 weeks. Otherwise, it's like you should wait, not financial advice. So thank you so much for that super chat. Let's see what we've got here. Do you like Jesus Coin? I don't know anything about it. And can you please look at Zilliqa? Yes, Matthew. All right. Give me a second here. Let me get back to where I was. All right, Zilliqa. So I do want to say up front, I'm not in love with Zilliqa. I'm not crazy about it, but it should be fine. Just like everything else, Zilliqa is a much older cryptocurrency. So where's it going? Where's it going from right now? You've got to at least think that there's a retrace in play, and a pretty significant one for Zilliqa. So forgive the very crudely drawn fib chart on my YouTube channel, by the way, World War Bitcoin. Short term, here's the thing that I've been saying about Zilliqa. Short term is that, or not Zilliqa, but like these older cryptos in general, the so-called dinosaur cryptos, they're waking up. They're waking up. I bought an embarrassing amount of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Dogecoin is very much a dinosaur. So could I draw a trend line here? I'm wondering what the trend line that I could draw is. It looks like there's a trend line I could draw here. So something like this. I'd be shocked if we saw Zilliqa go below the trend line. And then maybe we could draw a channel here. I would just be looking at the EMAs for the most part. I'd be waiting for a move with the 20-day EMA. So that's what I've got for Zilliqa. Thoughts on Urine Finance? I haven't checked it out at all. Sorry. And sorry, I know on YouTube, guys, I'm so far behind. Let me try to plow through this. Crown of the third game. What is that? So my exit is laddering out 5x, 10x, 17x, and 25x. Woo! That's aggressive. You think Solana will pump again soon? I think it's due. And I know, I mean, you see a 15x in such a short time. It's like, what are you going to do? I think it's due. So any word on spot? Yeah, talk about that. Jesus Coin. Viot. I'm not super excited about Viot. Just looking at their chart, what is the problem? LCX is not dead. Oh my goodness. Why is Viot, every AI crypto is pumping pretty hard. Why is Viot not keeping up? You know, will it catch up? Maybe, but I'd rather be chasing the winners as they dip. So again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I cannot keep up with the TikTok chat. Trying to keep up with oh my goodness, with YouTube here. So Zill is Metaverse. I thought Zill was a layer 1, but probably, you know, Metaverse components. Quant is not dead. All right, Win Injective, next leg up very soon. Say is up 11K%. A good reason to not buy Say. Sounds like that's a good reason to not buy Say. I'm not seeing 11K% on the chart here, but probably, I'm assuming, yeah, launch day, you know, from pre-sale, something like that. So Say looks good. All right. Best microcap. I mean, microcap, we're talking what, under $10 million? What's the definition of microcap? Those are very high risk, but I've been getting in on some. So microcap, under 10 million, I would go with Veil. All right, I'm going to go with Veil. I love Veil. I've been using Veil. Look into it, not financial advice. You know, I'm biased because I bought right down here, but gotta love Veil. Thank you, Evalira. Let's see. LOL, would you say you're in the major since you are out of the minors? I am very small potatoes in the crypto space. I don't know what you're asking, Sambo. You and Rex must think the same. He was talking about Pepe yesterday and front running the bull run. I have no idea who Rex is, but okay, that sounds good. Who's Rex? Is he on TikTok, YouTube? I guess I'll check him out. He must be obviously a very smart guy. So VRL, mobile cryptocurrency. I've made 4 videos on VRL. It's very similar to Helium Mobile. So I've seen you ask that question multiple times. CMC says Pi is $30. Is that false? I just don't know. You know, I mean, I have lots of Pi. I can't imagine it being $30. It seems too good to be true. Hello, Mr. Kitty. New to your page. Thank you. What about Stronghold? Haven't looked into Stronghold. It's on the list. A very short list. So I agree with you. The way this market is running, we might really peak in 2024. Yeah, yep. Any thoughts about Sia Coin? It's going down. Sia Coin, excuse me. I made a video on Sia Coin a couple days ago on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. I think that was actually yesterday. So Sia Coin, there we go. Now it's down. That's quite a move, but I'm not worried about Sia Coin. That's amazing. Wow, that is an ugly move down. But listen, I gave a price target. I gave a new all-time high price target, and I haven't put it on the spreadsheet. Sorry about that. But I believe that Sia Coin is going to hit a new all-time high, which it didn't in 2021. So that's something. Thought on Dimensions, I made a video yesterday on my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. World War Bitcoin. Watch the video that I just made yesterday on Dimensions. Very bullish. Modular blockchain narrative, I think, is going to be a real thing. So did you still give up on Solo? I mean, I sold it. I'm not buying back in. So yes. When to expect Crow to move noticeably? When we're in full-blown euphoria, people, especially Americans, they're going to be getting on crypto.com, and Canadians as well. They're going to be getting on crypto.com and buying crypto and buying the Crow coin. Crow is going to fill that void very aggressively. Crypto Network #1 is Cello. Are you still against it? I was wrong. I was probably wrong to sell. Well, no, I was wrong to sell my Celo last week for sure. He's the one, I saw a video of his and it was very persuasive, and I bought Celo because of that video. But then here's the deal. Thank you, Patma. Here's the deal. I looked at a Celo video that I made a year ago on my YouTube channel, and I was looking at the price in that video, and I was like, that price is higher than where it is now. This thing has not moved. I want something that'll move. And so I sold my Celo, and then it moved. Of course. So even I can make that mistake. Anyone can make that mistake. I don't regret selling my Celo. I'll be happy. I'll be fine, you know? So let's see. How do you buy Pendle? You can get it on Coinbase Wallet. I know that. Doge prediction. 53 cents. I could be wrong about that, but 53 cents. Yeah, Jesus coin thoughts, nothing. Thoughts on the Black Panther airdrop. I have not. I've heard something about March for the Black Panther airdrop. I'm staking my injective on the Kepler wallet with Black Panther as a validator. Very excited, but I don't know the details. So I'll look into it in March. Do you know any of these? Rio Trade and Fi. I know Rio, very small cap real world asset coin. RWAs are going to do very well. Trade, and they've been doing well. Trade, no. Fideum, I like Fideum. I don't own any. I need to look into it more, but every time I've looked at it, like looked at the coin market cap page, I've been like, yeah, I like Fideum. So can you please check out Polkadot? AOS just keeps going. I mean, it's down. It's down recently, but you know, the last few days at least. But yeah, I'm with you. I like AOS a ton. $3.40 is my price target. And Polkadot's climbing, you know, so nothing too amazing here, nothing too crazy, but be patient with Polkadot. Yeah, I've been waiting for XRP. Feel like I could put my money elsewhere. Thoughts? I think if you do that, you're going to see something very similar to what I saw with Celo. Just my opinion. I think dinosaurs are about to move soon. So let's see where Bitcoin is. 57. Honeyland on Solana. Don't know anything about it, but I like Solana. I like the Solana ecosystem. Doge to 53 cents in 2024. Yeah, I could see that. This bull market is only for Bitcoin. Others will not move. Reed, I see your comment. I don't agree with that. No, I've been monitoring Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin might be might outperform to an extent that we're not expecting. But Bitcoin's historic dominance, we're going to see Bitcoin dominance under 40% at some time. Right now, it's at 53.65%. So any thoughts on Jupiter? Talked about that. Is LCX a buy now? 22 cents, and it's very close to that. So yes. And I love all of you asking, you know, should I sell my LCX? Please. That's like inject that into my veins. I'm very excited about buying LCX right now. LCX is dropping with the markets pumping. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Nothing but love. Is Polkadot dead? The returns on Polkadot are not. I've never been super excited about Polkadot, and I'm biased. I'm biased because I bought Polkadot at $6 in December of 2020, and it didn't do nearly as well as a lot of other cryptos. And so what can I say? You know, I give a $48 price target for Polkadot, so that's a 6x, but I think a lot of you want more than a 6x. Just sold all my LCX 5x. Hey, you took profits. I'm never going to complain about anyone taking profits. Is going in long right now alts good, or you don't recommend? Total 3 market cap. Total 3 market cap. Here's what I've been saying for the last few weeks. I believe we are going to see a move at least up to a 618 retraced over the next couple months on the total 3 market cap. That's $807 billion. We're at $574 billion right now. So you think LCX is going to blow up? I have a $7.37 price target for LCX. Yes. Thoughts on Engine, Metaverse after the new all-time high for Bitcoin? Where do you think Render ends up in price? $35. Heard a rumor we may be near the top of the run. Could it be true? I am open to anything. I am very much open to any theory that's thrown out there. Could the bull run be over soon? I could see the peak of euphoria coming in May. Like I literally could see that be like everything's going crazy. Everyone's super excited. I could see that. And then maybe, you know, we dip in the summer and then have another big run up in the fall. Geez, you greedy 6x is a mega win where I'm from. It's a mega win. I don't know what you're hearing from me. So could it be soon? Near the top? I mean, we're not near the, like, as in today? No. As in next week? No. As in 3 months from now? It's possible, yeah. Crow just advertised while you were talking on here. Crow is going to, they're going to be so shameless with their advertising. You haven't seen anything yet. SHIB Doge prediction. It's on my spreadsheet. SHIB is 0.00022 and Doge is 53 cents. I just bought an embarrassing amount of Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and Pepe. I haven't been planning on Pepe, but I've been planning on this for 3 years for those meme coins. I'm not a big meme coin fan, but for 3 years I have been saying around the time that Bitcoin crosses its all-time high, I am going to be loading up on these aggressively. So it's time. Am I a little early? I'd rather be early than late. I might be early. So we're overbought, which would normally mean there's a correction coming, but with the ETFs, we may not see one. So continue on this bullish trajectory. Arun, absolutely. Now, this reminds me very much about over 10K, Matt. What's the embarrassing amount over 10K? This reminds me a lot of late 2020, early 2021. PayPal and Grayscale were buying 3 times the amount of Bitcoin mined per day, and we just kept on going up, and we didn't stop going up. And now the ETFs are buying something like 5 times the amount of Bitcoin mined per day. And FXQC, you might be right, So which one is the best, though? Shiba, I have no idea. I'm in all 3. I have no idea. So I forgot what I was saying. Oh, yeah. That's what this reminds me of. And until that changes, I just think dips are going to be minimal. So, yeah, Stronghold, don't know enough. I was saying taking a loan out was stupid. I'd never do that. Okay, yeah. Why are there so many sell-off ICP when it goes up a bit? Consolidation. It's not just ICP. It's everything that's pumped. LCX, even Pendle, Injective, Celestia, and now the AI cryptos. So you got to be patient. All right, AKZ, I'll look at your chart. Price prediction on Doge, 53 cents. Opinion on GFAL, I like it. I don't like the price action, but I like it. Mint layer target, I don't know. You said memes will go up after Bitcoin all-time high, but Pepe is pumping. So here's what I've come to find, Nata, is I have a thought in my head of what's going to happen, and then it tends to happen sooner. Which is why, even though I said I was going to buy Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and Pepe after a Bitcoin all-time high, that's why I just decided I'm going to buy it yesterday. So, guys, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I cannot answer every question on TikTok. I'm struggling on YouTube, but I'm doing better than on TikTok. So, yeah, all-time highs for SHIB. Yes, talked about that. Would you buy Pendle right now? J-Bow, I would buy Pendle right now, yeah. Will XRP get a pump? I believe a lot of the so-called dinosaur cryptos will be pumping very soon. And they are moving. I mean, look at Bitcoin Cash. My goodness. Bitcoin Cash is on a tear. I used to hate Bitcoin Cash. I like it a lot more now because I know that people in third world countries are very much benefiting from using Bitcoin Cash. What could sync price reach in bull run? Would I buy some Bitcoin Cash? I don't know, man. I do not have a price target for sync. I have no problem buying Syncus under a $100 million market cap. It is right now at 54 million. And so here's my mindset with Sync. I talked with somebody on their team. They are absolutely convinced that Syncus is going to $4 billion. It's at 54 million right now. So they think that in their minds. I'm thinking, you know what? I'll be happy with 1/10 of that. So that's $400 million. If we see a new all-time high with Bitcoin, my fearless buying target will increase to $400 million with Syncus. And then after that, I'll at $400 million market cap, I'm not going to be too greedy. That's well over $100,000 worth of Syncus that I will have owned by then. I will be taking profits, not financial advice, whatever, but I'll have some in along just to be along for the ride after that. So What about alt layer? Don't know anything about alt layer. Sorry, Medi. I know you've been waiting a while. So, hello, Nako. Chlor's my favorite small cap AI crypto. Should I sell my near and sushi spots in exchange for Pendle? Not financial advice. If you don't have any Pendle, I would just say get in on some Pendle. It doesn't matter what. OX number, I like OX number. I already made a video on it on TikTok. So please do a video on RSR soon. I think it's on the list, so I'll check it out. Watch AMP. What's AMP doing? Will VRL be worth a buy this born? Absolutely, man. Yes. So, I mean, AMP's looking great. Polkadot is not dead. Please don't spam. Yeah, already made a video on OX number, Stronghold. Please don't spam. Don't know enough about it. I'll look at it. Bitcoin layer 2, Mint layer, OrdiSwap. I bought OrdiSwap yesterday, but I'm going to be patient with it because it's been pumping a lot. So I could see it consolidating for a bit. Price prediction for Litecoin, $466. A $50 billion market cap for prediction for Aptos is questionable. Maybe. Aptos is at $3.5 billion right now, and they have AI components. They partnered with Microsoft. They partnered with Amazon, Google Cloud. I mean, they have a lot of big players founded by Facebook developers. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Not a fan of Rex. Okay. I have no idea who he is again. So, all right. Pi Network. I'm not paying attention to Pi. Siacoin is a pump and dump. Siacoin. It may be. You sold your Bitcoin and you're sad. I did not sell my Bitcoin. I sold my Bitcoin miners. I'm so sad, guys. Bitcoin's pumping like crazy, and I love Bitcoin. My username is literally World Bitcoin. I'm so sad. I'm so sad, guys. Sorry about that. All right, guys, for TikTok, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. World War Bitcoin. Head over there, hit the follow button. I'm also active on X, and so I'm posting a lot on X. You're not going to want to miss a thing. But World War Bitcoin on YouTube, I'm trying to answer every question. My YouTube's not working. I'm not seeing any complaints about it right now. So Pi is on CMC. Okay. Doge doing its thing. Oh, yeah. Thoughts on DYM? I just made a video yesterday. I hope for us both it pumps. I give some pretty, even for HBAR, I've been pretty negative on HBAR. If HBAR goes to $1, $2, I don't think it will, but I'll be happy for you. So thank you, Joey. Yeah, Sambo. Okay, it was meant to be funny. Oh man, I'm way behind. Guys, am I lagging? Oh, shoot. All right, I need to start the live over.